I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. On a chip, light's movement is confined to optical wires. But what if it could move more freely by rapidly and very precisely beaming off of the chip instead? Well, it's now feasible and opening an advanced realm of possibilities. A team led by researchers at MIT has developed a photonic chip that can precisely broadcast and steer light into free space. The scalable platform and its array of two-layer microscopic structures made from silicon nitride and aluminum nitride that curl upward creates thousands of beams that can be controlled individually and function off the chip all at once, unlike existing light steering approaches that work with just a few beams at a time. Connected waveguides incorporated onto their new chip funnel light to the curled structures, which the team says resembles tiny ski jumps, and using a set of modulators, they can control how that light turns on and off and exactly how it's projected off the chip. The team says the pixels emitted are at the physical limit of how small pixels can be, making the new setup an ideal platform for applications like higher resolution displays, more advanced lab-on-chip systems, and smaller LiDAR setups. Silicon photonics-based navigation technology developer ANELLO Photonics and quantum infrastructure software developer Q-CTRL have announced a strategic partnership that will ultimately create a quantum-based navigation solution for unmanned aerial vehicles in GPS-denied environments. The collaboration will bring together ANELLO's integrated silicon photonics inertial sensing technology, the Silicon Photonics Optical Gyroscope, or SiPhog, and Q-CTRL's Ironstone Opal quantum magnetic navigation system. The combination will create a multi-layered quantum navigation solution that ANELLO representatives say will deliver precise positioning even in areas where GPS signals are degraded, jammed, or unavailable. Lumentum, a global producer of optics and photonics technologies for cloud and networking applications, is expanding with a new manufacturing facility in Greensboro, North Carolina. At the 240,000 square foot facility, slated to be operational by mid-2028, Lumentum plans to produce advanced indium phosphide-based optical devices and components, like continuous wave and ultra-high power lasers, for large AI data centers for companies including NVIDIA. Lumentum representatives say the move will help strengthen U.S. manufacturing and AI infrastructure, and also support job retention and growth. There may soon be a new AI chip in town, and it could potentially complete computations on a picosecond timescale, significantly faster than what's now possible with electrons. A team at the University of Sydney in Australia has created an AI nanophotonic chip prototype they say can perform calculations in the time it takes light to travel through numerous nanostructures that are each just tens of microns in size. Motivated by the growing demands of modern data processing, specifically in AI, the team has been exploring light as an alternative computing standard that can process information very quickly using very little energy. The new chip design operates essentially as a photonic neural network accelerator, in which computations happen directly through optical transmission. The team says encoding computation directly into the chip's nanostructure allows light to more efficiently propagate with minimal interference, which in turn allows the computation to become the natural output. The team is now working to improve scalability of the nanophotonic chip to ultimately boost higher speed, more energy-efficient AI processing, as well as sensing systems and data center technologies. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. Check out our Following the Photons podcast, too, for some cool interviews and news impacting the industry. Until next time.